Now look at it. You got one problem though. See, your bed is getting wet.
Cooking? Oh wow, this. Oh, this feels nice. Ew.
There you go, Tom. Is that a little nicer?
That is very nice.
See that little spot above you?
Yeah,
That'll just fill up with water and dump on you if we leave it like that. So. Don't want to get it wet. Oh, feeling pretty soggy. How about you?
very. I packed for winter, not rains. All my clothes is soaked.
Here, let's put your bag down in the smoky part. Down, just fell down.